I'm Emily, here to help you get started sewing with confidence.
What do you need to start? You don't need a lot. You need a sewing machine, obviously. Borrow one. Do you have one that's free that your mother-in-law stuck in the top of your closet 20 years ago? Pull it out. It's probably fine. That's what I had. You don't need a super expensive one. $240 has all of the features that you need to get started and to make it easy on you. Some fabric scissors, $13.99. You just need some good, sharp scissors to start with that you have not used on paper. You need some pins, some clips, a tape measure, a pack of those three things, $7.98 on Amazon. You're gonna need this. I'm so sorry, but you are going to need a seam ripper. You need a good one with cushion handle. $8.60 on Amazon. You're gonna need some kind of pattern weights. Get out your soup cans. Those are free. You're gonna need sewing needles. Those are about $8 a pack. You're gonna need thread. It can be anywhere from like $3 to $8 a spool. Just depends on what type and where you get it. You are going to need to be able to print your pattern. Simple black and white printer is all you need. Somewhere you can go to the copy shop, print them to start with. That's it. You don't need a whole lot of stuff. You can work your way up to those, get gifts. If you really like it, that's when you make your investment into your rotary cutter and your mat and actual pattern weights, $12.99 on Amazon. You're also gonna need an iron and an ironing board. I'm assuming you have one of those already. Might be making an assumption, but you are gonna need an iron and somewhere to iron. That's all you need. That's it. Simple, easy.
Subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I'm here to help you sew with confidence.